it's Naila from Dil Learn Azerbaijani. This is your day 11 and you're gonna learn about fruits in Azerbaijani. Let's start with the first one. Of course, this is apple. Apple. It is alma. 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 For example, my apple. Mənim alma. Mənim alma. Next fruit. Banana. Banan. Banan. Yes, it sounds similar to English version. Banana and banan. Banan. For example, my banana. Mənim bananım. Mənim bananım. Next fruit. Pear. Pear. Armut. Armut. R sound. Armut. Mənim armudum. My pear. Mənim armudum. Armudum. Good job. Next one. Orange. Orange. Portakal. Portakal. If you want to say, I would like to buy portakal, or I would like to buy orange, you say in Azerbaijani, mən portakal almaq istəyirəm. In supermarket, you say, mən portakal almaq istəyirəm. Next one. Lemon. Limon. Limon. It's also similar to English version. Limon. Lemon. Limon. My lemon. Mənim limonum. Limon. Next one. Peach. Peach is in Azerbaijani şaptalı. 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 Great. You pronounce şaptalı. Yes. Next one. Apricot. Apricot. It is erik. Erik. My apricot. Mənim erigim. Mənim erigim. You don't say like mənim erikim, not erikim. It is like erigim. You sound here. Erigim. Mənim erigim. My apricot. It's plum. Plum. You say cavalı. Cavalı. With G sound. Cavalı. Cavalı. Sənin cavalın. Your plum. Sənin cavalın. Cavalın. Next one. Of course, it's cherry. Cherry. You say albalı. Albalı. Pronounce it like this. Albalı. Albalı. Great. Next one. Grape. Grape. It is üzüm. Üzüm. Maybe you remember this word from body parts. Face. Üz. Üz. Yes, it looks the same. Üz. And you add here. Üzüm. Üzüm. Yes, üzüm. It is a fruit. Üzüm. Great. And by the way, üzüm means that my face. My face. It is üzüm. And a fruit. It is also üzüm. Okay guys, these are all the words that you have to learn today's lesson. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.